Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. A yeast and rose water face mask is a popular natural skincare remedy that is believed to provide several benefits for the skin. Yeast is rich in essential nutrients, vitamins and minerals, while rose water has soothing and hydrating properties. And combined, they can create a nourishing and revitalizing mask for the skin. Well, let's get started. All we need is 1 teaspoon of yeast, 2 teaspoons of rose water. Mix all the ingredients together in a small bowl. Stir well until you achieve a smooth consistency. Allow the mixture to sit for a few minutes. This will activate the yeast. Once the mixture has thickened slightly, apply it evenly to your clean face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes to let it work its magic. Rinse your face with warm water, gently massaging the mask off your skin. Follow up with your regular skincare routine, such as toning and moisturizing. Yeast is packed with nutrients like B vitamins, zinc and selenium, which can help nourish and revitalize skin. The mask may help improve the overall complexion, giving your skin a radiant glow. Rose water is known for its hydrating properties, helping to moisturize and soothe dry or sensitive skin. Both yeast and rose water have calming properties that can help reduce redness and irritation. Some people claim that yeast can aid in collagen production, which may help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.